How to create a Trello board. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized is key to success. Trello offers a simple yet powerful solution for managing your tasks and projects. Let's dive into how you can create your own Trello board. Sign in. Head over to www.trello.com and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. You can easily sign up for free. Navigate to Boards. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Boards section by clicking on the corresponding button located on the left sidebar. Within the Boards section, locate the Create New Board button and give it a click. Name your board and consider adding a brief description to give it context. You can also specify whether it's public or private, depending on your needs. Once you've filled in the necessary details, hit the Create button to bring your board to life. Customize your board further by adding lists, labels, and cards to organize your tasks in a way that suits your workflow. If you're working with a team, don't forget to invite them to join your board. Simply click on the Invite button and enter their email addresses to get them on board. With your Trello board created, you're now equipped to tackle your tasks with clarity and efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create your own Trello board. We hope this guide has been helpful in setting you on the path to success. Happy organizing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.